everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Karimat of Boss Baby Talk. For my hoodies, I want to say thank you for always coming back to watch my video. And if you're new here, you're welcome to this platform. What I do on this platform, I create content surrounding my lifestyle. Living here in Canada as an immigrant, I talk about how to migrate to Canada job opportunities, schooling, and how you can get your first accommodation when you finally arrive in Canada. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about scholarship for women who want to study a graduate program abroad. This program is only meant for women supporting women. Yes, for the men, your horn is coming. This one is basically, strictly for women. Inside and outside of the country, but you have to be international. Whether you're an international student or you are in Canada already and maybe you come for visits or something, but you are still presently in Canada, or you are outside of the country, you can apply ASAP. Don't dull yourself on it, don't sleep on it. Act fast. When you hear me say act fast on this video, a lot of people are on it as well. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. But before we go, have you subscribed? If you haven't, what are you still waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe, turn on the bell notification for me so that you don't miss any of my important videos like this. And always, you want to give the video a thumbs up so that it can be better suggested for the people that are looking for this kind of content. Let's begin. Welcome back, guys. Woman helping women reach for the stars. So guys, this International Peace Scholarship Fund was established in 1949 to provide scholarship for international women students to pursue graduate study in the United States or Canada. This is really good. When I saw this, I'm like, I need to share this with you guys. This is so good, guys. And if you have come across this video, you haven't act on it. What are you still waiting for? This is the right time for you to act fast on it. This scholarship is based upon democratic needs. However, the award is not to intend to cover all academic or personal expenses. At the time of application, the applicant is required to indicate additional financial resources adequate to meet estimated expenses. Examples of additional resources are personal and family fund, tuition waivers, work scholarship, teaching assistantship, study grants, and other scholarship as well. The maximum amount awarded on this program to a student is $12,500, which is really good. Lesser amounts may be awarded according to the individual needs. So depending on the expenses, list that you've also made, that is what they're gonna use to actually finalize how much they are gonna be, awarding to you. Now let's talk about the eligibility. The eligibility for this program, a PEO International Peace Scholarship Fund, provide financial assistance to women from outside of the United States and Canada who are seeking advanced degree from the accredited college or university in the United States or Canada, with expectation that the student will return to their own country to utilize the education to make positive impact in the foster global peace. Just take note of that, because you can always come back here when you return back. It's very important that whatever you've learned here, you go home to utilize your idea to make a positive impact and foster global peace. In order to qualify for this scholarship, an applicant must have a full year course study remaining to enroll in the residence for the entire school year. Whether you are an international, inside or outside of Canada, if you are in Canada, you need to have at least a year left of your program to be able to qualify for this program. And also, if you are from outside of the country, you are welcome to go already and apply. It is very important that you act fast on this. Another thing to note, scholarships are not given to an online courses, research, internship, or for practical training if not combined with the coursework. Even if you are doing a course that you're going to go through a lot of practical and all that, like, you know, you must have combined it with like you know, your course study, like full year. It has to be 1 full year with it, you know. So in case you will not be going to the college that they provided, if you have your own college or the university you want to go to, you have to be able to apply for a program that, you know, is at least 1 full year. That is what they mean. And guys, here is the date and deadline for this program. The IPS application calendar dates for 2024 to 2025 terms of study. So guys, this program, if you start it now, you should basically be coming to Canada in another 6 months. You know, everything you know should be done in 6 months. September 15 is when they started this program. People have been applying and applying. Of course, I just come across it, and that is why I've told you, in case you've come across this video and you've not act on it, the time is now, because it's gonna expire soon. September 15, 2023, IPS begin to accept eligibility forms. They have started accepting from September, and now we're in December. December 15, 2023 is gonna be our last day to submit eligibility form. So first form that you're going to be submitting is going to be the eligibility form, and you must submit it before the 15th of this December. Basically 12 days left. So add fast on this, because it's not going to be up to 2 weeks. You have, you know, to submit the eligibility form. February 1st, 2024 is going to be the last day to submit complete application material from applicants already enrolled in the program and school for which their scholarship is intended. March 15, 2024 is the last day to submit the complete application material from applicants not yet enrolled in the graduates program or school in which scholarship is intended. And the last day to submit complete application material from applicants who will not be attending Courtney College. So if you're not attending the college that they have provided as well, you know, March the 15th is the last day for you to submit, you know, your application material form that, you know, from the school that you are applying to go to. May 1st, 2024, notification of scholarship awards will be sent to you. If they have accepted you, by May 1st, you should be getting an email, and you have to act fast on it. On the email that you've gotten, there's going to be a form attached to it that you have to fill and send back to them for you to be able to get the payment of $12,500. And June 1st, 2024 is the last day for students to accept IPS scholarship. So if they have sent it to you May 1st, you know, by June 1st is going to be the last day. If you don't accept it, you know, and send it back to them that you have accepted it and that whatever that they have awarded for you, the last day to accept it is going to be June 1st. So, and that is it. That is done. But then you should be planning to already be moving down here to Canada. And this is their policy and procedure that you need to take note of as well. Make sure you're reading it through. It's very important. Prerequisites for applicants, entry, classification, and confirm of admission. So make sure you're going through it, guys. It's very, very important. So I'm going to be taking you through this part E, non-discriminatory basis. The applications and individual who satisfy the prerequisites set forth in the selection will be evaluated in the non-discriminatory basis without consideration of age, race, national origin, religious affiliation, or disability. So take note of that, guys, and you know, act fast on it. And like I said, you know, if whether you're going to US or you're going to Canada, you can either apply to any school of your choice, college or university in Canada or United States, actually. And this is also their website. In case you need to know more, you want to read more about their website, go through it. It's mainly for women only, women helping women, women supporting women. It's very, very important for you to take note of that. General policy for applicants. I'm going to be taking you through number C. Students receiving funding at Coty College may be eligible to apply for a graduate IPS fund. However, total IPS support may not exceed $25,000. If you're going to go through the college that they have provided for you right here in Canada, guys, you might be opportune to get $25,000. But if you have a college of your choice or uni of your choice that you may want to go to, then the maximum of that will be $12,500, depending on the expenses list that you have sent to them when you are filling up your application. It is simple as that. Also, they have stated here that the maximum amount for this scholarship is gonna be again $12,500, based upon need. As you guys can see, they both that out for you based upon need. So based upon your need, and your expenses, form that you fill out, would determine your need for them. So take note of it, read and digest whatever is here before you go and fill up the form. Now let me show you where you're gonna get to fill the form. So coming back here, guys, to show you how you can go and fill your form and what to do, just click here for online eligibility form. It takes you through here, and all you need to do is to click on apply. When you are here, all you want to do first is to create an account with them if you don't have an account with them yet. Even creating an account with them here, you'll be able to monitor the progress of your application with them. It is very simple as that. And whenever they ask you anything as well, because your accounts that you have created with them will be open. So if they ask you to provide any more, any documents and all that, you'll be sending it through there, just attaching it. It is very easy as that. So create an account with them. It will take you to this place, and all you just want to do is fill in your information, your first name, your last name, that's your son name, cell phone, whether you're in US, America, anywhere you are, any part of the world you are, you can see, because I'm from Nigeria, guys. So let me see if Nigeria is here. Yeah, Nigeria is here, so you can go ahead and do it. And also Nigeria is here. A lot of countries are here. Let me check for Ghana. Ghana is here. So if you are from Ghana, go ahead and fill up this application. Okay, go ahead and create your account and fill in the application as well. Okay, you're from Nigeria, you're from Ghana. Let me check for Uganda. Egypt is here. If you're from Egypt, Dominican is there. If you're from Dominican, go ahead and fill in the form. Angola is here. Algeria is here. Cameroon is here, guys. Burundi is here. Lots of countries are here supporting women. Cuba is here. Here, Uganda. Okay, Uganda is here, guys. Okay, Uganda, you're here, guys. Sudan is here. Yeah, in the past, I've seen a lot of, people from Sudan message me as well. Oh, can you talk about this job and that job? Yeah, they got a lot of countries that are eligible to apply for this program. Guys, get into it already. Get into it. Put your login email here, your password, make a password for yourself. you know, and also image verification as well. If you're not a robot, you know, let them know here and submit. You know, it's as simple as that. I'm gonna be ending the video here and now until I come your way again. I remain your girl, bossbabytalk. As you already know, if you haven't subscribed at this point, what are you still waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my important video like this. Guys, you don't want to miss out on this video. All the important video I'm bringing to you guys, you do not want to miss out on it. And get into this already, you know, like this is basically for women. Yes, men, you know, guys, I'm sorry. Yeah, you know, your home will be coming soon. Your home is coming. I'll be checking for different things for you guys, you know. Yeah, and it might still be for men and women. Yeah, so guys, get into it already. Yeah, get into it already, please. And remember to subscribe, turn on the bell notification for me, hit the like button, and let me know where you're watching me from in the comment section. I love you and you already know it. Goodbye for now.